Okay, let's open up the challenge 1C. Let's open that up. If you closed it out, we'll open it up, and here it is, exactly like we left it. We're going to do something interesting. Everything's interesting, but this is really sort of interesting. We're going to take the sounds, because there's sound 1 and sound 1, and then sound 2 and 2, 3, 3, 3. If there is a sound and a repeat, and a sound and a repeat, and a sound and a repeat, and a sound and a repeat, how many tracks do we ultimately need? If things are going this way and we hear music in order like this, sequential order, how many tracks do we need? A sound, a repeat, a sound, a repeat, a sound, a repeat, a sound, a repeat. I repeat. One would think we would only need 2 tracks, one for the initial sound and one for the repeat. What you're going to do is take all of your files and move them to 2 tracks in succession. So here is sound 2, and here is the repeat of sound 2. And I'm just going to take my time shift tool. It's not there yet. And here is the third sound. So even though it's way down here, I'm now going to just move it up to there. This is the third sound. And here's the third sound, the repeat of the third sound. And I'm going to move that right to here. And then here's the fourth sound. I'm going to move it right to there, and this fourth sound should be just where it always was. Let's see how it sounds, just to make sure. It's important that you understand the logic of the sequential nature of music. You can see that I've changed the wave color of the sounds, and when these two are the same, they're both marimba, so they're on the same line, and these are different because one's a harpsichord and one's a piano. They're the third sequence of notes. This is the third sound, right? So the blue represents the first sound, the red represents the second sound, the green the third, and the black the fourth. And I'm doing this so that you can visually track what's going on. Now, because we only need the 2 lines, here, there's that, and there is this, it comes up, and then this one's first, right there, and right there, and then that goes there, and this one goes here, and cut up, and let's do it. Sounds just the same. Because we know that we only need 2 tracks, we're going to get rid of all of these. That is all I want you to understand right now, is that there's the initial statement, there is the repeat. Initial, repeat, initial, repeat. And these are 4 different sounds, sequences of sounds with different colors of instruments. And I've run out of ways to demonstrate all of the variables that we're working with. Right now, the blue represents sound 1, Red represents sound 2, green represents sound 3, and black sound 4. What I want you to do is take your sounds and move them to 2 tracts, just like this. So there is the initial sound on the top, and there is the repeat on the bottom. That's it. When you're through with this and you need to save it, just save file. And I'm going to do that myself. Come up here, save project. Now when I open it, it will look just like this. When you're finished, you're ready for the next piece of the challenge.